In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste text in Proposify. This is a simple yet essential skill that can save you a lot of time when creating or editing proposals within the platform. Now, let's dive into the steps to make this process smooth and easy for you. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Proposify platform. Open up your preferred web browser and enter the Proposify URL. Once you're on the login page, enter your credentials to access your account. If you haven't created a template yet, or if you're working on an existing proposal, make sure you're in the editor mode by selecting the appropriate template or project you want to work on. Next, shift your attention to the upper right corner of the interface. Here, you'll find various options that help you build your proposal. What we're interested in is the text option. Clicking on text allows you to add or edit text boxes within your document. This is the gateway to managing the textual content of your proposal and is an integral part of styling your document to fit your needs. Now that you've clicked on the text option, you have the capability to manipulate text boxes. To do this, simply drag a text box across your page to the desired location. This is an intuitive step. Using your mouse, click on the text box you wish to move and drag it to its new position. This flexibility is crucial as it gives you control over the layout and flow of your document, ensuring it adheres to your or your client's aesthetic preferences. Once everything is in place and you're satisfied with your layout, it's time to copy and paste the text. Highlight the text you wish to copy by clicking and dragging your mouse across the text. Once highlighted, you can then use the familiar keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy the text. Then navigate to the area where you want to paste it. Click to select the destination text box, making sure there is an active cursor, oftentimes indicated by a blinking line. Now use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste the text. This copy and paste function is not only simple but also a critical productivity tool, allowing for repetition and reusability without the hassle of retyping content. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently copy and paste text in Proposify. With these techniques, you'll be able to streamline your proposal creation process, ensuring it is both efficient and effective. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore more tips and tricks about Proposify in future videos.